Hello, hello. Welcome. We are very happy you are here today. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are in a safe place to learn English. Today, Emily and Paul are with you. We will speak slowly, we will speak clearly, and we will help you feel confident. You can do this. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today's topic is very useful. It is something many people need in daily life.
Yes, today we talk about an English conversation at the bank. The bank, a place for money, a place many people feel nervous.
Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you feel scared. Maybe you think, my English is not good. That is okay. You are not alone.
We promise you something. After this lesson, you will feel calmer. You will feel stronger. You will know what to say at the bank.
We will use very simple English. Short sentences, easy words. We will repeat many times.
We will speak like real people. Not like a book, not like a robot.
So stay with us. Listen slowly. Repeat with us. You can do this.
Now, let us start with a small daily life problem.
Imagine this. You go to the bank. You want to open an account. Or maybe you want to take money. Or maybe you want to ask a question.
You stand in front of the bank desk. The bank worker looks at you and smiles.
And then the bank worker speaks English.
Your heart beats fast. Your hands feel cold. Your mind feels empty.
You think, what do I say?
This lesson is for that moment.
Yes, this lesson is for that moment.
First, we start with a friendly welcome. At the bank, people are polite.
The bank worker may say, hello,
Or, good morning.
or good afternoon.
Or, good afternoon.
These are simple greetings. Let us practice. Repeat after me. Hello,
Hello.
good morning,
Good morning.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very good. You are doing well.
Now, after hello, the bank worker may ask a question.
A very common question.
How can I help you?
Listen again. How can I help you?
This means, what do you need?
Or, what do you want to do today?
It is a kind question.
Let us practice together. Repeat after me. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Again, slowly. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Very nice.
Now, you need to answer. This is important.
Do not worry. You do not need long English.
Short English is okay.
Simple English is okay.
For example, you can say, I want to open an account.
Listen carefully. I want to open an account.
Open an account means start a bank account.
Like opening a door. You open an account.
Repeat after me. I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
Again, I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
Very good.
Another common thing. Maybe you want money.
You can say, I want to withdraw money.
Withdraw money means take money out.
Take money from your account.
Repeat after me. I want to withdraw money.
I want to withdraw money.
Again, I want to withdraw money.
I want to withdraw money.
Good job.
Maybe you want to put money in.
Put money in is called deposit.
Deposit money.
You can say, I want to deposit money.
Repeat after me. I want to deposit money.
I want to deposit money.
Excellent.
You see, one sentence is enough.
You do not need big words.
You do not need perfect English.
Simple is good.
Now, let us slow down and look at these sentences again.
I want to open an account.
I want to withdraw money.
I want to deposit money.
These sentences all start with I want to.
I want to is very useful.
You can use it many times.
At the bank, at the shop, at the office.
Repeat after me. I want to.
I want to.
Good.
Now, let us imagine a small mini situation.
Imagine this. You walk into the bank.
The worker smiles.
The worker says, "Hello, how can I help you?"
You smile back.
You say, "Hello, I want to open an account."
That is all. Very simple.
Let us practice like a real conversation.
I will be the bank worker.
And I will be the customer.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I want to open an account.
Great, that is perfect.
You see? Easy.
Now, sometimes the bank worker will ask more questions.
Yes, simple questions.
For example, do you have an ID?
ID means identification.
Like a card with your name and photo.
Repeat after me. Do you have an ID?
Do you have an ID?
You can say yes
Or, yes, I do.
or no.
Or, no, I do not.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, I do not.
No, I do not.
Very good.
Another question the bank worker may ask is, can you fill this form?
Fill this form means write your information, name, address, phone number. Repeat after me. Can you fill this form?
Can you fill this form?
You can say yes
Or, yes, I can.
or sorry, I need help.
Sorry, I need help. Is okay.
Repeat after me. Sorry, I need help.
Sorry, I need help.
Very nice.
Now, let us repeat together. Repeat after me.
Sorry, I need help.
Sorry, I need help.
Good.
Now, let us do another long conversation.
This time about withdrawing money. Listen first.
Hello,
Hello.
how can I help you?
I want to withdraw money.
How much do you want to withdraw?
100.
Okay, please wait.
Thank you.
Very natural.
Very real.
Now you try.
Repeat after me. Hello.
Your turn.
How can I help you?
Your turn.
I want to withdraw money.
Your turn.
How much?
Your turn.
Excellent.
Now, let us repeat everything one more time.
Repetition helps memory.
Repetition builds confidence.
How can I help you?
I want to open an account.
I want to withdraw money.
I want to deposit money.
How much?
Sorry, I need help.
You are learning real English.
English you can use today.
At the bank.
In real life.
Now a final warm message.
Don't be afraid.
You are learning step by step.
Every word is progress.
Every try is success.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Take care.
Keep practicing.
See you next time. Before we finish, let us slow down again. Learning English is not a race. It is a walk, a slow walk. And today, you walked very well.
Yes, you already know many useful words. Words you can use at the bank. Words you can use in real life.
Let us go back to the feeling at the start. Remember the fear? Remember the fast heart.
Now, think again. You walk into the bank.
You hear, hello.
You smile.
You answer, hello.
The worker says, how can I help you?
And now you know what to say.
You say, I want to open an account.
Or, I want to withdraw money.
Or, I want to deposit money.
Your voice may be soft. That is okay.
Your English may be slow. That is okay.
You are understood.
That is what matters.
Now, let us practice one more long conversation. This time, we will go very slowly, and we will repeat many times.
I am the bank worker again.
I am the customer again.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello. I want to deposit money.
How much do you want to deposit?
200.
Okay. Please fill this form.
Sorry, I need help.
That is fine. I can help you.
Thank you.
You see how kind this sounds?
This is real life.
Now let us break this conversation into small pieces.
Piece 1.
Hello. How can I help you?
Repeat after me. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, how can I help you?
Piece 2.
I want to deposit money.
Repeat after me. I want to deposit money.
I want to deposit money.
Piece 3.
How much?
Repeat after me. How much?
How much?
Piece 4.
200.
Repeat after me. 200.
200.
Piece 5.
Please fill this form.
Repeat after me. Please fill this form.
Please fill this form.
Piece 6.
Sorry, I need help.
Repeat after me. Sorry, I need help.
Sorry, I need help.
Very good.
You are building real speaking skill,
Not just listening.
not just reading.
Speaking.
Now let us talk about another common bank situation.
Asking for information.
Sometimes you do not want to open an account.
Sometimes you do not want money.
Sometimes you just have a question.
You can say, I have a question.
Very simple.
Repeat after me. I have a question.
I have a question.
Or, I need information.
Repeat after me. I need information.
I need information. The bank worker may say yes.
Or, how can I help?
And you can ask slowly. For example, what time do you close?
Close means stop work.
Repeat after me. What time do you close?
What time do you close?
Or, what documents do I need?
Documents are papers.
Repeat after me. What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
Again, simple English works.
Short questions are strong.
Now let us do another mini conversation.
Hello.
Hello,
How can I help you?
I have a question.
Yes.
What time do you close?
We close at 5.
Thank you.
That is it. Easy, calm, clear.
Now let us repeat the key words again. Repetition helps memory.
Bank.
Account.
Money.
Withdraw.
Deposit.
Form.
ID.
Question.
Help.
These words are your friends.
They help you.
They do not hurt you.
Now let us talk about confidence.
Confidence is not loud.
Confidence is calm.
Confidence is saying one clear sentence.
Even if your voice shakes,
Even if your hands shake,
you are still confident.
because you speak.
Many people are afraid to speak.
But you are practicing.
That makes you strong.
Now one more practice.
Close your eyes if you can.
Imagine the bank.
Imagine the desk.
Imagine the smile.
Hear the words, how can I help you?
Now answer out loud.
Say, I want to open an account.
Or say, I want to withdraw money.
Say it now.
Good. You did it.
That is real practice.
Now let us do a full recap. Slowly, kindly.
Greeting.
Hello.
Question.
How can I help you?
Your need.
I want to open an account.
Or,
I want to withdraw money.
or,
I want to deposit money.
amount.
How much?
Help.
Sorry, I need help.
Perfect.
This is enough English for the bank. You do not need more.
More will come later.
Step by step.
Before we end, we want to say something important.
Learning English takes time.
Some days are easy.
Some days are hard.
That is normal.
Do not be angry with yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
You showed up today.
You listened.
You repeated.
That is success.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
Thank you for learning with Emily and Paul.
Keep practicing these sentences.
Say them in the mirror.
Say them in your room.
Say them in your mind.
English grows with use.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
See you next time.
Goodbye.